Myself Divyadarshan Panigrai, and I am from Odisha, and I joined the Akash Life platform in class 12. When I joined this Akash Life platform, I was a bit nervous, and I have studied the class 11th in our college, where they have imparted integrated course. And after completing that, I found that these online classes are very interesting because the faculties here are very interactive, and I came to know about this idea from my friend Bikash, and he has been studying in this online platform since class 11. So I asked him and inquired from him about this Akash Live platform. He told me about the excellent features which the teachers are providing, the All India Akash Test series which the teachers are conducting, and we can gauge ourselves and we can know where we are in this national level. So all these features has made me very excited to join this Akash Live platform. Test helps me to gauge my performance. Particularly, the test started with the daily practice test, which covered only a small portion of the chapter, where I can know my strength areas and my weaknesses areas in those particular areas of the chapter. Then the fortnight tests were conducted, which was the cumulative of the daily practice test, where we can know all those we have covered during the daily practice test. And after the fortnight tests, and then the AI ATS was conducted, the All India Akash Test series, which covered some portion of the entire year syllabus. And there we can know our performance at the national level. We can also know our time management, and it really helped me to boost my confidence level. During this COVID situation, many other tests like complete syllabus tests were introduced, and these tests covered almost the entire syllabus of the first and the second year. So we can know the difficulty pattern, we can know the number of questions coming from different chapters, we can also gauge the importance of different topics, and it is completely based on the NEET pattern and the NCERT syllabus. And from that we can also know our time management, that from which subject should I start with, how much time we should invest for each question, and how much time should I invest for the particular subjects like physics, chemistry and biology. So all this will definitely help us in our 3 hours of NEET. I particularly love in the plus 2, mainly in the plus 2 and in the 10th, I particularly love studying about the human body, to know the mystery of the human body, to know about the different physiological processes, to know exactly what is happening inside our body in each and every corner. So I also received a particular inspiration from my parents, who are also doctors. So they used to tell me each and every thing and each and every process which is going in our body. I was very curious to know about all those things. And besides, I also loved reading storybooks and mythological stories. My dream college was also AIMS Delhi, and then MAMS Delhi, and JIPMER in Pondicherry. It's nothing that the students from metro cities only achieve their goals and achieve their dreams and get admitted in reputed colleges and get posted to the senior places. A student even from a small town can also achieve all these dreams. And this has been possible by the introduction of online classes like reputed institutes like Akash. There is no reputed institute in a city, and also no such classroom environment is provided. Uh, so besides, the COVID scenario also um, reduced the possibility of transmission of the education to the interior areas and the far-flung areas. So in such areas, even dwelling in this small town, I received immense support and motivation from all my teachers in Akash Life, this digital platform, and they also helped me to gauge myself in the national level. They boosted my confidence, and they always encouraged me to attend all the national level entrance exams like KVPY, then the national Olympiads, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Even though I'm a medical student, they also encouraged me to give this J Mains and J Advanced, and then giving NISER. So all these exams help me to know my time management skills and the particular approach to every question and the underlying concept in the particular question, and how much time should I invest for each subject. And finally I can succeed, and I can climb the pinnacle of glory, and I can uh, show all my best performance in the 3 hours of NEET.